Good morning guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are about to show an amazing unboxing video of the famous wireless headphone, the Leaf Beast. We have ordered this famous Leaf Beast wireless headphone from the Amazon Prime. They have packed it so well. I think Amazon is better than other. Yeah, let's start with unboxing. Sorry guys, I have used my only one hand because I'm new to this unboxing video. So I think I will make it right on the next one. Okay, let's start this and open. Okay, yeah. Oh, wow, they have packed it well. You look at that. Oh, gift from Mr. HOWLETTX. Yeah, it's HOWLETTX. Yeah, let's unwrap it. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Yes, deep bass wireless headphone, 30-hour battery, beast model. Yeah, I like it. Wow, wow, it's wonderful. Leaf Beast wireless headphone. Yeah, let's remove that cover. Yes. Oh, I was eagerly waiting for this moment. Let me open this quickly. Okay, where is yeah, yes. Wow, look at that part. Over there, over here. Paddle headphone, Bluetooth, swing design, TP glass, built-in mic, digital control. Wow, look at that. Looks cool. Microphone, everything. Let me open that. Yeah, here it goes. Come on, beast, come out. Yes, here you go. Wow. Well, right and left. 90-degree. Yeah, it's good. It's soft, squishy. Yeah, play button, next, volume increase, LED. Yeah, cushion is good. Inside bar, quality wise, I think it's good. Yeah, USB charging, aux cable, mic. I think it's good, man. My choice isn't bad after all. Yeah, we can increase it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How much does it go? 6, 7. Yeah, up to 10. Wow, that is maximum that I need. I think it's enough and more. Yeah, that's look shiny. Okay, let's see what are the extra parts are there. Here we go. We have an aux cable. Yeah, QR code scanner. And we have this manual support. Here, water users, hold him up, hold him down. Next, show pose of everything. Bluetooth version, everything, 20 Hz, 32 ohms. It's good. Oh, here you go. It's 20% allowed leave because I can feel it. Oh, here you go, the charger, the aux cable. Yeah, and if yeah, it goes in the tools type. No, it's yeah. Label light. Didn't see that before. Yeah, this is what we have with these boxes. Charger. Yeah, I think it's good. The warranty card, everything. Since this was our first unboxing video, there are some modifications which we would make it right on next one. The review of this headphone will be coming soon.